Hi guys, this is Connie from Connie's Nails and Creative Creations. I am now a Plaid ambassador and they sent me a box last week, a week and a half ago. So let's get to this to see exactly what they gave me. And I already pulled this one out because I had to use it this morning. And this is the Mod Podge that is dishwasher safe. So let's go ahead and see what they gave me. This is Mod Podge satin finish. This is Mod Podge matte finish. And this is Mod Podge gloss finish. I love. And then they sent me a brayer. And I had a little one, but this is a large one, which I'm glad for. Now, this is a whole bunch of different kinds of paints that they sent me. So, they sent me Apple Barrel Black. They sent me Apple Barrel Bright Yellow. They sent me Apple Barrel Flag Red. Apple Barrel Bright Blue. Let's see. Apple Barrel White. Okay, because they've got a lot of different kinds. Let me pull these all out so I can figure out what I've got and separate them. These are some colors that I never even know that they had. So, oops. Okay. They also sent me two different packages of paintbrushes. And I'm always in the market for paintbrushes. Not that I don't have a lot, because I do, but I really like having new brushes. Okay, so looks like these are different. Now, this is something I did not know that Plaid made. It's nice to know. They do Delta Cream Coat, which I did not know that they did. So they sent me 3 of these. One in coral, one in surfboard, one in lagoon, one in, okay, so that one said coral. This says coral. Let's see. They both say coral. And they're different numbers. So it's 2 different shades of coral that they sent me. And then they sent me palmetto, which palmetto is a green fruit from what I can remember. I used to work in the produce department. Okay. Then they sent me folk art, and this is, these next 4 are well, no, this next 2 is a multi-surface, and one is in bright green and one is in Cayman blue. And then they sent me 2 of brushed metal, which I already have some of these, but I love them. And they are both a matte finish, and one is silver and one is, I think, gold. Let's see. Yeah, a brushed gold and a brushed silver. And then in the folk art, they sent me seashell pink, aqua, vivid orange, Calypso Sky, moon yellow, light lavender, lullaby blue, and the last one is it's called Daybreak, and it's yellow. So I will be adding these to my collection of mini colors, and it was nice to know that they actually do Delta cream coat. That was a surprise to me, and my head keeps getting cut off because my phone keeps moving. Okay, well, it's just gonna cut my head off. All right, so that's the Plaid stuff that I received. So I'm very pleasantly surprised at how much they sent me. I just became an ambassador. My link to my storefront is in my link tree, and my link tree will be down in the description box. So you guys have a great day. Be the Bible that somebody reads today, and God bless.